Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the mechanism. Remove the strike and outer escutcheon screws and peel back the rose plate. Once done, spray a drop of penetrating oil into the keyway and around the spindle to loosen seized parts. Make sure to support the inner assembly so it doesn't fall when screws are removed. Now extract the cylinder retaining screw and slide the cylinder out gently. You'll see the cam, tailpiece, and retaining clips that we'll inspect next. You now examine the removed parts for play and damage. Wobble in the spindle means worn bearings or cam. Once the retaining clip is off, pull the cam and test the tailpiece engagement by hand. If teeth are rounded, replace the cam immediately. Make sure to clean metal shavings and old grease with a small brush and cloth, then fit the new cam, seating it flat. After that, re-lubricate moving faces and reassemble the cylinder to check. You finish by reinstalling the cylinder and outer plate, tightening screws evenly so the mechanism sits square. Uneven torque causes binding. Once assembled, test the lock 10 cycles with the door open. Observe the latch movement and ensure the bolt retracts fully. If the bolt binds, loosen screws and adjust cam orientation or remove a few tenths from the strike face with a file. One key troubleshooting tip. If the key turns but doesn't move the bolt, the tailpiece is slipping. Replace the tailpiece or red-iron its set screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.